Welcome back for another video of Roblox. Now, let's go to Meep City. It's one of my favorite games, guys, because you get to see friends. Oh, let's go meet my friend, Link. Yeah, this is my friend Link. He's cool, and yeah. So let's join his game because he's my friend. I'm gonna tell him that I'm recording right now. Oh. Alright, there's a Flood Escape 2. I didn't know they had a Flood Escape 2. Oh. Link! Link, I'm here! Link, I'm here! I'm here, bud. Here. What happened to my face? I'm recording! I'm recording! Recording! I'm recording! Recording! You're in my video. You're on my video. Yes. YouTube. Yes. U-E-E. Huh. Yeah. I made 3 videos. Oh, sorry guys, I was not talking. Okay, so yeah. Oh, okay, so, oh, what's these? Okay, so we got, so yeah, my Link, is like crazy now because he's like on YouTube. Areas, tanks, emotes, body, skins. Oh, can I get different skins? Oh, I only got 2. Oh, now they have, now you get coins. The coins are different. Oh yeah, I'm not. Alright. Wow, wow, I can't believe they actually, made it different. I think I'm gonna practice, guys. I gotta practice now. What escape 2. Yeah, now this is my Link buddy. Really. This is my 4 why. No, 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 no. This looks different in this game. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, guys. We're doing. I hope I do better this time, guys, because I really don't want to be bad. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Huh. 1, 2. Oh no! Ah! Die, die, die. Oh no! I wonder if you actually can get up. Actually, no. But I was good though, guys. Wasn't I? Leave in the comments below if I should practice, because I really need to practice. So yeah, and also guys, tell me in the comments who's your favorite YouTuber in Roblox and other stuff, okay? Right. Hold on guys, I gotta do something first. Oh, okay. That was weird. I think I missed it. Play here. Oh, can I camera? Let's look up in link. Oh, this is new. Hurry up, Link, hurry up! Everybody count on Link. And make sure to subscribe, okay guys? Because I'll be making more videos today if you subscribe. Oh yeah, I'm the only oh, and guys, I can't believe it. Guests are actually like different now. Can you see? Now they're like the one of those builder guys. Guys, leave a like if actually you're like crazy, because now guests have a different skin now, and it's not from the skins actually. It's not like the first one, so that is incredible, guys. Oh, coming soon. Will there be winners? What's that? Oh, okay, that's the first one, escape. Oh no, I missed it again. Ah. Right, okay. Oh my god. Alright guys, Link, I'm ending the video now. Link, I'm video. Alright, I'm have to end the video now, dude. Okay? Cool. Bye.